What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another one of my videos. We are going to be doing a wig revamp. I'm going to show y'all how to bring a old wig back to life because wigs are already expensive. And if you're wearing your wig one time, boo, tomato, tomato, tomato. We are not doing that. We do not throw away wigs. This wig that I have on my head is 3 years old. We invest, reuse, and recycle. So I have this wig. It is a 40-inch wig. I've worn it a couple of times, but we're just gonna do a revamp real quick. Okay, so this is the wig. It has glue inside of the lace still. And she's just, yeah. So first, I got some water boiling. You can use regular sink water if it gets hot enough. But we're gonna go ahead and soak this for about 10 minutes. We're gonna soak the lace. I'm gonna let that sit for about 10-15 minutes just so that the heat from the water is gonna soften up the glue that's on there previously, and yeah, it's gonna make it easier to remove. This is my favorite shampoo and conditioner to use on my wigs when I'm washing them. After letting the wig sit, the glue should turn white where it's a little bit more visible, and it's literally, you should be able to like remove it so easily after. If you want, you can add a little bit of Dawn soap as well inside of the water just to make the removal easy, but I'm literally just rubbing it off and it's just coming off so simple. Doing this step makes the glue easier to remove, but it also helps prevent the frontal from balding. This is the dirt just from letting the wig sit in the water. If you want, you could do a pre-wash with shampoo inside of the water while it soaks with the lace, and then you can go in and wash the unit as well. Before this love affair began, what if you feel more like a fair confusion can't give way to doubt. For because what's the point if you
Yeah,
want
I
to?
know. That's how it was the last time for our 20th. I told them like 2 days before and they weren't ready.
Okay. Do you want it more in your face though, like the picture?
Yeah. I love you for this movie. Very great.
Okay, so I let the hair sit in the conditioner for about 20 minutes. That blue stuff that I added was fabric softener. It makes the wig smell so good. And also too, it helps the wig from being like frizzy and like staticky, if that makes sense. So that like when you do curl it, the hair is gonna stay together and it's gonna do that, you know? But I'm gonna let that air dry overnight. And then we're gonna do a install. So I can't wait for y'all to see the install. Okay, we are on the wig install. I let my wig dry overnight. This is the texture of the unit after just letting it air dry. It has a natural wave to it. We love a natural wave. So I have my bald cap. Usually I order my HD caps off of Amazon. I'll link them down in the comments. And I get about, I don't know how many I get, but I usually get like, I pay $10 and I'll probably get about 30 of them. So I am using Erica J Hold Me Down. Okay, I love this blue and it is the sport mode. So I cut small circles in the ears already. I forgot I was supposed to record, so I had already started some steps. But the first step is just flicking down your edges. Slick them down with some edge control. I like to do my ball cap method with lace glue. It's like an extra layer of glue. I don't like using even spray. Got to be spray. I feel like it dries out your hair. It's drying out your edges. We like to keep our hair over here. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with a thin layer right above the hairline. My edges are all back here, as you guys kind of see. The little edges that I do got. But we're gonna put the ball cap like right in front of that hairline. And I'm just tracing around my hairline. When you got a wig, you just want to make sure that you make the wig to match your hairline. That's the best way to put it. If you want to do something different, then what am I talking about? I just like to do the wig on my hairline so that I can save my edges. But also too, it's going to give a natural look at the end of the day. And I'm just going through and making sure that I make sure I get a good amount on the ear tabs, because that's the part that does not like to stay down with a ball cap and does not like to stay down with a wig. So I don't know how I'm gonna style this wig either. It's 40 inches. Putting curls in a 40-inch wig is just like, when I do hair at my shop, I usually use Fit Me. And I get them at Walgreens and stuff like that. I'm using my personal makeup that I have at home, which is going to be this Fenty Beauty Blur Tint Stick. I use this as foundation, and if you guys can see, it shows up light when I put it on, but once you spread it out, it does really, really good, and I like it. And I'm using the shade Eavesdrop 18. For the most part, if you're a chocolate girl, I will like, even if you're a tone lighter or a tone darker, I'll still use the same, because nobody is the exact same shade all the way around. So for the most part, and I don't like using powder foundation. I like using a cream. I don't, at my shop I use liquid, which is easier to spread, and I guess it lasts a little bit longer. But for the most part, I'm not using powder because it's going to leave it ashy. We don't want an ashy wig. And this is what it looks like after I like spread it out. So it was looking like orange or like it was too light earlier, but I used my hand and I just like spread it out on there on my hand. I think it matches pretty good. So we're gonna go in and cut. People are super fans of razors, but me, like, razors scare me, especially because, like, I'm not trying to cut myself. I don't want to cut myself and I don't want to cut other people. So now I am just going to comb the hair back onto the lace. This is my first time combing the wig since I washed it. When I conditioned it, I did the detangling, but after that, I just let it air dry. Somebody was telling me about Rihanna's foundation. They said they love all of her other products, which me, I only have the foundation stick and I have her concealer and I have her mascara. And they said that they don't like her liquid foundation because it oxidizes a lot. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Rihanna's makeup and what y'all think. I mean, in reality, like, everything cannot be perfect, so I get it, but I love her concealer. Like, her concealer is really tea, and even if you want to do a natural look, I'm not a makeup girly for real, but like, if I want to do something simple, I'm literally putting concealer and blush and it looks good. Even if I don't do it with powder, or if I do it or do it without powder, like, it's still like so tea. It looks natural, it looks good. Okay, so I put makeup on the inside. I cannot talk. I am also going to get my hot comb and I'm going to comb all the extra hairs back out of the way. And I didn't do any baby hairs on this wig. I don't plan on doing baby hairs either. But we're just gonna hot comb all this to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. I should have robbed you. Yeah. 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 I should have robbed you. Okay. So now that I have her, you know, more slick back, we're gonna throw her on the head. I'm supposed to go to the gym after this. Luckily, I don't sweat a lot and I do got my Erica Sport, so we not too worried. But the gym, it's like you tell people yes and then all of a sudden you don't want to go no more. Because why did I say yes? I could be laying in my bed right now. So I'm just lining up the wig and whatnot to see where it will be laying down. About right there, that's why so I'm just gonna fold that back and we're gonna start with the layering. If you have a popsicle stick or a flat edge brush, the key to a flawless install is a flawless wig for one. But also too, you want to make sure that you are applying thin layers of glue, like thin layers, thin layers, thin layers, thin layers. I don't know, like, am I speaking another language or what? Because why are you putting all that glue on your install? Like, no, man. And I'm putting it right where my cap starts or stop. I'm putting it right there in between my cap. I put it right on the line. And we're just gonna come in and spread it out. Spread, go back if you need to go up, if you need to go back, if you need to go up. And we're just gonna spread her out. And as y'all see, like, this is how much glue I have on the cap, and then I have this much on my skin. This makes the removal easier. I'm going to, y'all see that? I'm gonna cut that off. Yeah, I'm cutting it off. And I'm gonna be doing 3 layers. And when it comes to them ear tabs, make sure you are gluing it up. Cause you never know who's watching. You know? I could have robbed you. Oh yeah. And it's like traffic time right now. And I decided to go right now because it's like a good time to go, because y'all, I honestly do not like going to the gym in the afternoon. Why? That's when everybody gets off of work and they're at the gym. I prefer going in the morning time. Granted, some people like to go before work, but 9 times out of 10, like, majority of people are gonna wait till they get off of work to go to the gym, because it just like makes more sense. And now I'm in like in an accountability group, and yesterday they were at the gym. I had went in the morning, and when they were talking about going in the afternoon, I'm just like silent. I didn't even tell them that I went to the gym in the morning because I like going in the morning. And I know y'all are probably thinking, like, why is she doing her hair right before she goes to the gym? Cause why the fuck not? Why the fuck not? And I'm low-key tired of that glueless wig. It's just like, it's nothing like a frontal wig and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, like, it's nothing like a frontal wig and stuff. Nothing like a frontal wig and stuff. A closure wig and stuff, cute, cutesy, business meeting. A frontal, I can do anything. I can go anywhere. Okay, 3rd layer. Spread that shit out. Spread that shit out. And if you got extra glue, put it in another spot. You know what I'm saying? Stretch it out. Make it last. If you need to, do 4 layers. But this is kind of my fourth layer because I did the ball cap with the glue. So if you need to, you can do an extra fifth layer. I guess my next video could be how to maintain a wig install on a day-to-day basis. Let me know if that's what y'all want down in the comments, and I'll do that. I'll gladly do that for you guys. I should have robbed you. Oh yeah. Should have robbed it. Should have had his pants. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. It's never too late though. I personally like to start in the middle when laying my wig down. Okay, but I'm gonna do one side and then we're gonna start on the other. Ooh. Ooh, it's stuck on there. Okay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and part this piece out. I know it looks wrinkly or whatever. We're gonna fix that, okay? Cause this wig is like super big on my head, y'all. It don't make no sense. I should have that one. I should be leaving by now. Pull that out. Them ear tabs, hold them down, hold them down. What's going on, guys? Okay. Yes, I know, it's up, it's up, it's up. I might cut it, I might glue it down, I don't know, I don't care. We're just gonna lay this motherfucker around. Okay, now, let's talk about it. If your wig is too big and you're like getting those wrinkles in the front, if you have an adjustable strap or you have those, let me see if I'm pretty sure it's still on here, I just can't use it. Okay, so these, you need to put those and you need to tighten it up. Okay. Let me check my phone. We're gonna let this band sit and then we're gonna come back and I need to think about life real quick. And we are back, guys. I don't know how long it's been, not that long because I have somewhere to go. I'll probably wear the band on the way to the gym, but this is what is given. So we're going to comb all this extra stuff out the way and apply glue where it's needed. Okay, and honestly, I might have to do another video styling it because I am late. And I just don't feel like styling it right now, honestly. And what is there to do but flat iron it? So as y'all see, we have, and then we have these extra pieces. We're gonna cut that. With HD lace, that's bound to happen. And you can just cut it off. Just snipper, 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 snipper. So with all the extra pieces that are lifting, and the reason why I do it after I lay the band down, because it kind of, I know exactly where I'm putting the glue. Earlier, I kind of couldn't tell. So now I'm just gonna put some glue on a flat foundation, a flat surface. And we're going to use the back of the comb. Make sure it's clean. And we are going to be applying it in those places that are listed. And if you want, you can do layers. Like I'm probably gonna apply glue up under these parts a couple times. After I laid that down, I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just hot comb it back. I don't have any product on my hair right now. And I had to put her up in a claw clip because she is 40 inches. I'm gonna go back with my makeup brush and I'm going to put makeup on it. And now I'm going in with Erica J Glueless Holding Spray. This right here is amazing. And this is what I'm going to use as my melting spray to melt down the lace. Okay. And I don't spray it directly onto the lace. I am spraying it on my finger. And then I am dapping the lace, as you guys see. But I do love this spray. I hope she never. And it is the Glueless Grip Holding Spray. And then we're gonna do the band again. Lay her down, lay her down. Okay, we're gonna let that sit and I'm gonna finish getting ready. So yeah, I'll be back with the final results. And for the most part, I'm probably just gonna put the headband back, but we'll see. Okay, time for the result. So now it's a little bit of product, as y'all see the white stuff. We don't want the white stuff. So I'm gonna go through cotton ball. And we're gonna clean her up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna clean her up. Just wipe down. And the cotton ball is not drenched, so do not go adding a whole bunch of alcohol. Okay. Now I'm going to comb out Okay, so it's still resin from it, but this is what we got. I am going to comb this all back because she's not gonna get styled. Super dirty, but we're just going to Velcro it up for her back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Because I want it super flat. So, super flat in the front. Use baby elastic to it. So. Okay, y'all. This was just a quick tutorial. And then until next time, y'all, I'm gonna make sure I keep dropping videos every week of tutorials and DIYs on how to do your hair at home and how to save money. Okay?